Hello.
Hello, good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Fekuram Meng, 45 years old. I have 3 kids. Um, I went to 2 years in college. My hobby is cooking. My work experience here in Philippines is cooking, cleaning, washing the clothes, and taking care of 3 kids. Also, I love uh, my reason why I work in Hong Kong is to support my 3 kids in their studies, and I promise to finish my contract when I go to Hong Kong, and I promise to do my job properly. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, if you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
My the father of my kids.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So, how long do you expect to stay in Hong Kong?
Maybe 2 years or more, ma'am.
Do
Yes,
you know how to cook?
yes, ma'am.
How
I love.
about Chinese food? Chinese food?
I learned. I will
You
learn,
can
ma'am.
learn.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
but simple Philippine food you
Yes,
can cook.
ma'am. It's my expertise cooking.
Okay, thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.